Okay, let's solve a linear equation. This is a linear equation, and when you graph a linear equation, it makes a line. And I know that this is linear because I don't see any squares. All of my variables are to the power of 1, so it's a linear equation. The first step, solving a linear equation, is to distribute. And I picked this problem because I think it has all 4 steps. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Distribute. I'm going to distribute the 3, then I'm going to distribute the 5. Okay, so I'll have 8y plus 3 times y is 3y. Okay, and then I have plus 3 times negative 7. A positive times a negative is a minus. 3 times 7 is 21. So I distributed the 3. Now let's distribute the 5. 5 times y is 5y. And then 5 times 1 is 5. Drop down the minus 3. Okay, step 1, distribute. Done. Step 2, combine like terms. Now when it says combine like terms, they have to be on the same side of the equal sign. Okay, so in this case, these two are like terms, and these two are like terms. I'm not going to look at putting anything on the right-hand side with anything on the left-hand side yet. Okay, that's moving them. So let's combine our like terms. 8y plus 3y is 11y minus 21. And then on the right-hand side of the equal sign, I have 5 minus 3 is 2. That's combining like terms. Now, step 3 is to get your variables to the same side. So a lot of people want to just start moving things. Oh, let me move this, or let me move this. And you can do that, but if you're following these steps, you want to have a direction. You want to get your variables to the same side. So I want all my y's on one side. And it's sometimes beneficial to move the smallest variable. So in this case, I'm going to move the 5y. If I don't want any more y's on the right-hand side, I will subtract 5y. But I can't subtract 5y from the right unless I also subtract 5y from the left. Okay, that's how we balance an equation. Do the same thing to both sides. Now, let's see what happens. 11y minus 5y is 6y. Drop down the minus 21, drop down the equals. 5y minus 5y is 0. It's gone. So on the right-hand side, I have a 2. All right. So that is variables to the same side. Last step is to isolate the variable. Let's get this grumpy old y all by herself. And she wants to get rid of everything else. She wants to get rid of this 6. She wants to get rid of this minus 21. And we're going to get rid of the minus 21 first. So to get rid of a minus 21, I add 21. I'll have no more numbers on the left. I'll add 21 to the right also. So see this? Negative 21 plus 21? Gone. My 6y comes down. 2 plus 21 is 23. One more step. Divide both sides by 6. And now y equals 23 over 6. Okay, I tried it in my calculator. It doesn't reduce. That's the answer. Now, I know we're not used to seeing answers like this. We'd like a nice, handsome number like 8 or 5. But you can have a fraction as an answer. You can have an improper fraction. You can have a negative fraction. So with something like this, if it's on a test, you might want to go back and check it. Otherwise, you're going to get used to having answers that come out as improper fractions.